Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lag mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should press the side button to open the controls center, and here scroll down through the menu and find this icon that looks like the water droplet. This is the water lag icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, and once you tap on it, the icon at the top of the watch face will appear. And basically what the water lag mode does is it turns off the touchscreen. Basically you can't use the touchscreen on your watch. This is quite useful if you, for example, want to swim with your watch on or take a shower with your watch on, because it will prevent the mistouches on the touchscreen. And if you want to disable the mode, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the sound, or rather hear the sound from your watch, and then the screen lock, or rather touchscreen will be unlocked, as you can see. And that's how you enable and how you disable the water lag mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.